everyone. Today I'm creating a nice smoothie here with bananas, kiwis, and blueberries. So I have like 2 mini bananas here, frozen. I have like maybe 200 grams of blueberries frozen, and about 200 grams of kiwis frozen. So the first thing we do, we add here the almond milk, special almond milk. We add it here. About 750 milliliters. Then you add the frozen bananas, which are here. Okay. Then you add the blueberries. There's 200 grams of blueberries here. 200 grams of blueberries, so it's on here. Then you have the kiwi. About 200 grams of frozen kiwis, are fresh but frozen. You have them here. Then you add the chia seeds, about 1 tablespoon of chia seeds like this. And extra protein, you add the peanut butter, like this. Then you add some honey. For sweetness, you add some honey, a little bit. And you about half a spoon of honey, maybe not even a little bit of honey. Then you just, when you close and start the blender, just take about 2 minutes. This is an excellent smoothie to have for purposes of antioxidants in the morning. High in antioxidants. 2 minutes to blend. You can add ice if you want. This has frozen ingredients, so you don't really need ice. No, this is full of antioxidants. It's very healthy because you have the kiwis and the blueberries. So, if you like this video, please subscribe. And now we're going to taste it. This is very different. You have this mixture of blueberries and like the flavor of kiwis all in one. So, and it's really healthy, tasty. So you might like this a lot. And you add that to the jar here. And this makes an amazing breakfast smoothie. And it's very healthy, and I think you'll like it if you try it. And this is what I'm going to try now. So, well, if you like this video, please try this smoothie, and watch the video. And if you have comments, please tell me. Well, thank you. Well, how do I say that?